Okay, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Hey, Karina, how you doing? Hi, everyone. Apex Squad reporter. Rhythmic issues again. No trade to fix. Yeah, I noticed. I can get Rhythmic up, just not Ninja Trader. It won't open. It won't open for some reason. So you can see my Rhythmic's open, but Ninja Trader, it just will not open. So let's try disconnected and connecting. Don't know, it's been like this for about 20 minutes. I have heard a few people say it's not opening, but a few are saying that it's rhythmic. So whether it's, I don't know, to be honest with you, but it is a pain in the bottom. But you're afraid to trade. Yeah, I don't blame you. It is a bit scary, especially when there's problems. That's the one thing that puts me off about prop firms in general. Not Apex, because it's not really Apex's fault. It's mainly just down to Rhythmic. It's a piece of software that we've all got to use. You're good, are you? Yeah, mine won't open. It's staying yellow. It's not coming green. Hey, Ionis, how you doing? Yeah, it's not. It's prop firms in general. It's more Rhythmic, isn't it? I mean, if you trade your own account, your own funds, I believe you don't get problems. But it's just the unfortunate thing. I hope they eventually come up with something. Funny that Apex is talking about all these new changes. Just data providing doesn't have so many issues, I know. I did listen to, is it John Skelton? Is it John Skelton? Talking this morning. I was listening, well, I was in bed actually. Listening to him, and I heard most of it. I'll listen to the rest later. I think they're on about bringing in some changes. Now, it's a shame really, because I see a guy post something this morning. He'd applied for four £2,000 payments, and they all said denied. So I feel for him. You know, I wouldn't like to feel like that, but apparently he dollar cost average. Now, I don't know. I mean, I've only been trading a few years, so there's so many different ways to move the market. Now, from someone who invests a little bit in crypto, dollar cost averaging is a reliable way of getting, buying it when it's a little bit higher and buying it when it's a little bit lower. But I don't know exactly how that plays a part in trading, but he has been denied it, which is frustrating for him. But I believe is part of the new rules. I don't think Apex are doing it to make life easy. I think they're just trying to focus on generally pretty standard types of trade, and it's hard to say. But it's like anything in life that wherever there's people. I mean, look, everything in life, there's always people that try and take the piss. Really. Supermarkets, what happens? People start stealing from them. So what happens? They've got to put the prices up because they've got to pay for security guards and all that sort of stuff. And it affects us all in the long run. So, wherever there's a chance to make money, there's always people gonna try and bend the rules. But he was talking, I think John Skelton was talking this morning about, people opening tickets. There is a whirlwind of scary stuff at the moment, and I don't think it's really Apex in general. They've just sort of reiterated these rules, and companies set rules, and depending on how whether people follow the rules is whether they've got to enforce them or that. So, I don't necessarily hold anything against Apex at all, but there are. A few rumours go around and a few people are making videos about it, and it is causing a bit of a scary shitstorm. So I can understand Apex being a bit peed off about it. But they did say they was going to bring in some new rules, so no sort of fixed time to withdraw. You can withdraw, I believe, after 8 days. I think these are rules they're going to bring in soon, I think. And also, usually there's two fixed times of the month that you can apply for a payment. I believe they're going to abolish all that. So I think they're trying to bring these rules in, but I think they get they have sort of like a shitstorm of people, opening tickets and so on and so forth. But update. They reference possibly doing away with... that's typical, isn't it? I don't know whether they will or not. You know, maybe they'll do it for people who haven't got... But I think if you've got 20 accounts, I can't see how they'll tell you, sorry, you can't have those anymore. But I don't know exactly what they'll do. But I get they do. They probably do get a barrage of tickets open daily. You know, people wondering why they haven't been. I mean, we do, don't we? It's human nature, isn't it? I keep looking when I've applied for a payment. Has it been approved yet? Has it been approved? Although I know, you know, the dates between. But I think a lot of people are panicking because of a few rumours and people are sending in tickets, and I think they're getting a bit overcrowded with all the what's it. I don't know. And anybody else open Ninja Trader this morning? Let's have a look who we got in anyway. Brant, how you doing? Karina Ionis, I said hello to you. Speedy, how you doing, pal? Straight Lines Tattoo, Akitri, Chade, and Sean, how you doing? I could get into Ninja Trader, but bad issues connecting to Rhythmic. Yeah, see, I got Rhythmic open, all right, but not Ninja Trader. So, yeah, mine's yellow as well, Bob. You're connected about 2 hours ago. So, yeah, so I think... if you connected a while ago, you may be okay, but I don't know how long this is going to last. I don't know why. I mean, this isn't Apex. I think it's just Ninja Trader. I don't know, but no. But I think a lot of people are stirring the pot a bit. I think if they're not getting paid, they're kicking off, and it's causing a load of rumours to go around. And I think people are over worrying a little bit. I'm not concerned. I'm quite, you know, I've never been turned out for a payment. But to be honest with you, Pats is about as middle of the road as you can get. It's about as safe and as stable. Risk 2 to 3 points, pick up 2. It's pretty straightforward. There's no big moves. There's no gambling. It's very simple in and out. Well, that's if we had some trades. But it is a pain, isn't it? Now all this is not working and it's the last day. So, Arminas, how you doing, buddy? If you didn't log into Apex and accept new terms, it stays. Does it really? Okay. Let's have a look then. Let's just disconnect that. Let's nip into Apex. That's Apex. Do you have to pay monthly as well as pay for the initial account? Hey, Paul, how you doing? You've got two options, mate. You can either pay a monthly fee of $85. Let's pick a $50,000 account. Pay a one-off fee of $140 or pay a recurring monthly fee of $85. So accepted it a few days ago. It doesn't matter. Yeah, I did as well, I think. Let me just log in, see if it says anything. They don't usually. I think I accepted the new rules as well. Let me have a look. Just see if there's anything that's popped up. Usually there's nothing until you go into help desk, and then there's usually something on help desk. What's the date today? 30th. Okay, I have got this. Let's have a look. Help desk status update. Welcome to Rhythmic. Please do not send any tickets in about the current outage as we're investigating it. Please keep an eye on this page and we'll let you know the next steps. Please stop all trading on Rhythmic accounts if you're experiencing issues. This does not include in Trade of 8. Okay, if you've got Trade of 8, you're all good. So it's today. So don't trade. It is a pain in the bum, I gotta say. I know it's not really Apex's fault. It's Rhythmic. It just is what it is, I think. 30 for the 5th, we are the 30th, but it is a pain when it's the last day of 90% off. So if you wanted like a $50,000 account and you wanted to, I don't know, try and pass it in a day before it changes tomorrow, you may not be able to trade, which is a pain, but sometimes when this happens they do extend things. So quickly talking about the offer at the moment. There's a 90% offer, as most of you know, which finishes at midnight tonight. Now, I don't know what it'll go back to, whether it goes to 80 or 71 or whatever, I don't know. But if you've purchased a $250,000 account any time between now or midnight tonight, you still got the option to trade it for 1 day and have the opportunity to only pay $85 for the lifetime fee. And that is extended up to the 15th of June. So the only thing is, if you want to try and pass a 50k today and be live tomorrow, obviously if you can't trade, what can you do? So I'm hoping then they may extend it. But so yeah, you got two options. I mean, okay, so it may not be a day, or it may stay a day, but obviously you still got the 90% off. But just to keep it in mind, if no one quite understands, disconnect and connect. If no one quite understands, then it's pretty straightforward. The 90% off finishes at midnight tonight, but if you have purchased a $250,000 account, you have got the option to trade that in 1 day and have the $85 one-off fee up until the 15th of June. Let's try Rhythmic. You still can't get in and select the account only. Get the option to pay monthly. Okay, let me ask you a question, Paul. Have you got more than one PA? Because I read somewhere that if you have a certain, I think they like it, or it works better when you have either all monthly or all the one-off fee. So I'm not sure what to say there, Paul. See, when you select it, usually there's two options, isn't there? The lifetime fee. You have nothing with them. I don't know why that's happening. I'd say drop my ticket, mate, but the way things are at the moment, you might be waiting a while. No, I don't know, mate. Without having the option to go in there from a payment link, I can't even try to have a look. So when you're going into signatures, you've signed it, then you go back into signatures, and then you go to the pay account and you select payment link, and you go through to the payment link. You scroll past all the comments, all the information down to the bottom, and sign. Put your whatever it is. I put my passport number in, and then you go through to the payment, where you select it, and usually it gives you two options: the 85 or the 140. So without seeing it, mate, or being able to get it myself, I don't know, bud. Just have another look. I don't know whether it's to do with any issues that's happening at the moment. I wouldn't have thought so. But I would just say, if not, drop them a quick ticket. It's all you can really do at the moment, Paul. I hope you get it sorted, mate. It is a pain when you get a PA and you want to get it going. Alpine Trader is not having any issues. See, he doesn't use Ninja Trader, so whether it is down to Ninja Trader, because my Rhythmic, yeah, good luck, Paul. I hope you get sorted, mate. My Rhythmic is open. Let me just open my Ninja Trader. So Rhythmic seems to open. It just seems to be Ninja Trader. So I have Rhythmic and no issues logging in an hour ago. Yeah, someone else said that. I think if you're already in, you're all good. Fingers crossed. Okay, we're open. Connections, Rhythmic. See if this up. I am Trader Joe is also streaming. Yeah, I know. I had a chat with him earlier. I said I couldn't get in. He did say lend me $100,000 to trade my own account, so I don't have any problems, which I thought was pretty good of him. But it does say on that's the bit that concerns me, not so much the fact that I can get in. Even if I can get in, it does say not to trade the accounts. So if you trade the accounts and something goes wrong, that's what concerns me. And I got 19 accounts, And the last thing I want to do is trade them. Not that I could. I restarted and Ninja, and you're in. Yeah, I've just done the same. I've restarted Rhythmic, and I'm still getting a yellow. But just keep in mind, Philip, it does say on the Apex website not to trade it, so I think you've got to trade it at your own risk, bud. I'll tell you, I'll bring that in because I don't want you to mess any of your accounts up. So going to help desk, and there's a message that comes up here. Yeah, so this is the message we had 3 months ago from 23 minutes ago from John Skelton, I think that is. Welcome there, but trying to find a page. This is it today. Please do not send any tickets in about the current outage as we're investigating. Please keep an eye on this page and we will let you know the next steps. Please stop all trading on Rhythmic accounts. Yeah, so just if you do decide to trade, just remember they may turn around and say, well, we told you not to. So just be careful. And if you're going to, and you've got a lot of accounts, maybe just reduce them or stick to one, or but it does say stop all trading, so just be careful. It is a ball ache. It's probably a ball ache for Apex as well, because they got to start running around typing these and investigating it and stuff. So it is a pain, but I can't get in. I'd love to, but not only can I not get in, I am nervous about trading. Hey Thomas, yeah, there's just been a message on there's an issue with either Rhythmic or Ninja Trader. I can get into Rhythmic, just not Ninja Trader, but they have said on the Apex website there is an issue and it's being investigated, and to not trade if you're with Rhythmic. So I'm not gonna, so if you do, just be careful. You don't want to lose in any accounts if something does go wrong, because you don't know if Apex may turn around and say, well, we told you not to. So I'd just be careful. I would. I'm not. I'm going to have to go and do. I've got stuff to do in the garden, which I don't want to do. But if my wife realises Ninja Trader ain't working, she's going to collar me, drag me out in the garden, and make me work for a living. So I'd like to restart my connection, but it works fine. Let me have one more go. I just shut down Ninja Trader. Let's restart Rhythmic. Okay. Rhythmic. I think that's quite a nice photo of me there, isn't it? Overlooking New York from my... Nah, it's just off the internet, really. And maybe it's better not to join it all than be joined and not want to trade. Yeah, just be nice to see if it opens. But it does say don't trade, so what do you do? It is horrible when you want to trade, especially when it's the last day of that offer. We have got some news, haven't we? So Rhythmic is working. Let's try Ninja Trader again. I don't know if anybody's updated really. Are we getting this now? You got to log in. That's the only downside to the new update. Looks like it's Ninja issues. You're logged into... Yeah, I think it is Ninja issues, isn't it? Let's try again. Come on, show me some green. I mean, if it's the case that there's issues, I don't even mind trading. I've got 19p accounts. I don't even mind trading an evaluation. I don't mind risking $16. My friend is also having issues, but he's not using Ninja Trader. Yeah, it does sound like a Ninja Trader issue, which is a ball ache. Yeah, I'd have traded an evaluation otherwise rather than my accounts, but we're still getting nothing. What a pain in the bum. No, well, I'm not going to sit here and bore you all day. I'm going to do a disappearing act, I think. Don't forget the offer. The 90% off finishes at midnight tonight. If you do pick up any of the 250k ones, you still have the option to pass them in a day and get to pay the lower lifetime fee of $85 up until the 15th of June. So, just so you know, so I'm just getting nothing here. So, okay, guys, I'm going to love you and leave you. We are Friday tomorrow. Until they get it sorted out, it's not worth risking. If it was trading evaluation, yeah, I wouldn't mind that. But even if I could get in, which I can't at the moment, so best of luck to you. Just go careful on anything, and I'll be back tomorrow. So it's a shame, really. Never mind. I'm going to go and do some stuff in the garden. I've got the crappy end of the stick. I'm going to end up doing some digging, which I've been trying to avoid. But if my wife realises I'm not trading, she'll come up and grab me, and not in a good way. So there you go, folks. Short day today, but what can you do? So if you are managing to get in, just be careful on your PA accounts. It'd be a shame to. I know what it's like. You want to trade, you want to try and make some money, but if you're going to trade today, I'd advise you, if you can get in, just to stick to the evaluations. You're not really risking much then, are you? So there you go. I'll leave you to it. Best of luck. Have a great day. Stay safe, and I'll be back tomorrow, and hopefully, fingers crossed, we'll be able to trade. So I'll leave you to it. Bye for now.